Southeastern Holland County in north central Texas, Rockwall County in north central Texas, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:47 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Fate. This storm was nearly stationary. The severe thunderstorm will be near Fate and Joyce City around 11:45 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. Heavy rains may flood low-lying areas such as streets, ditches, and underpasses. Avoid these areas and do not cross flooded roads as they may be washed out. You are listening to NOAA.